So this is a very beautiful living space where you get, this is a very spacious kitchen where you get, this is a very spacious second bedroom of the flat. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video, I am going to give you the sample flat tour of Oriana World, which is located near Bhumkar Chowk Road, Ashok Nagar, Tathawade, Pune, and is developed by Balaji Builders. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the sales office of the project, and then in front of the sales office you get the Bhumkar Chowk Road, जो आपको लेफ्ट साइड से कनेक्ट करता है आंध्रा विद BRTS रोड से, और राइट साइड से कनेक्ट करता है मुंबई बेंगलुरु हाईवे से. Now, before I show you the sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me give you the project's overview with the help of Project's 3D model. This project will be constructed on 4 acres of land parcel which will be having 5 towers, in which you will be getting 2 basement plus ground plus podium plus 25 floors, in which you will be getting 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now, let me tell you about the location of this project. This project is located near Bhumkar Chowk Road, Ashok Nagar, Tathawade, Pune, जिसमें मेरे राइट साइड पे है इस प्रोजेक्ट का सेल्स ऑफिस, और सेल्स ऑफिस के सामने आपको मिल जाता है भूमकर चौक रोड. इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है मुंबई बेंगलुरु हाईवे विच इज 750 मीटर्स अवे, Zudio which is 1.8 kilometers away, and Bhumkar Chowk which is 2.9 kilometers away. Now let me tell you about the amenities this project provides you with the help of Project's 3D model. This project has over 50 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, clubhouse, senior citizen sit-out area, kids play area and multi-purpose court. So, as you can see, I am standing at the actual entrance of our 2 BHK sample flat, which has 815 square feet carpet area. So this is your entrance, where just at the entrance you get a video door phone and a digital door lock to your door. And then this is your entrance's lobby where you can set up your decorative items or shoe rack. Now let us check out the living and the dining space. So this is a very beautiful living space where you get your couch setup space here, and then you also get a TV unit setup space here and an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, iron railings and is 3-side cover. Now let us check out the dining space. So this is a dining space which you get just in front of your kitchen, so you can get hot, fresh food served to you right away at the moment. This is where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let us check out the kitchen of this flat. So this is a very spacious kitchen where you get 2 granite platforms parallel to each other. You also get a sink attached to it and a dry balcony attached to it, where you can set up your washing machine and utilities. You also get a window attached to it for ventilation and natural lighting. Now let us check out the first bedroom of this flat. But before we check that out, you also get a common wash basin and a common washroom in front of your first bedroom, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So this is your first bedroom of the flat, where you get a lot of walking space, and then you get your bed setup space here. You also get an attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And you get your wardrobe setup space here. Now, before we check out the second bedroom of this flat, which is the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Go register now for free and book your site visit today through Housey. Now let us check out our master bedroom, which is the second bedroom. So this is our very spacious second bedroom of the flat. You get your bed setup space here and you also get an attached balcony to your master bedroom, which has anti-skid tiles, iron railings and is 3-side cover. You also get a dual wardrobe setup space here and also an attached master washroom, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of Oriana World, which is located near Bhumkar Chowk Road, Ashok Nagar, Tathawade, Pune, and is developed by Balaji Builders. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.